I think that these are currently the best budget-friendly microphones on the market. Okay, first of all, look how tiny and light this is. This is literally the size of a quarter. The audio quality is incredible. I'm currently using this mic to record this video, and this is how it sounds on a busy street with my phone. A cool thing that I love about HOLLYLAND LARK Mark II is that you can remotely control your phone with just a press of the button to start or stop video recording or to take pictures. Also, look at all those stickers it comes with, so it can better match your outfit and your mood. So, LARK M2 is more than just okay.